Fairview is Kelly country, owned by the family since the early 1900s and fertile milking ground ever since. Nestled in the picturesque and productive rolling Drysdale Creek Valley at Purnim, 16 kilometres north of the regional centre of Warrnambool, Fairview is for sale in 2 lots or as a whole. Lot 1 on 182 acres includes all improvements, featuring a renovated 3-bedroom bluestone home, circa 1900s, with traditional period features. Farming improvements include a fully operational and equipped 21-a-side swing-over herringbone dairy with a full range of farm shedding. For the dairy farm buyer, this high-production Friesian herd is available at valuation. Fairview is complemented by 100 acres of functional irrigation pumped from the Drysdale Creek via a 240 megalitre water licence. Lot 2 on 104 acres offers excellent home sites with frontage to Brino Lynn Road. Boasting mains, Otway water and power close by, Lot 2 is currently fertile dairying country, subdivided into 11 paddocks with a central laneway. Both lots individually offer the opportunity of semi-sustainable lifestyle farming, or alternatively, as a whole, a high production dairy farm, which has milked up to 250 cows. Fairview is for sale in 2 lots, or as a whole, by expressions of interest, which close on Monday the 23rd of April at 4 p.m.